Hi guys, Kim here. Welcome to Backyard Blooms. In today's video, we're going to be decorating our mantle that I have behind me. We've got our Christmas tree all decorated up, and for years and years I've been wanting to do a Christmas tree, a small pencil tree with navy, white, and silver. Well, I haven't been able to do that so far, but guess what we're going to do today? We're going to do our mantle in navy, silver, and white, and I can't wait to share all my goodies with you. So this is the new garland that I bought, and we're going to put some lights on it, but I thought this was pretty and festive and looked a little bit more natural than the greenery that I previously had. So we're going to place this up here on the mantle, and I'm going to fluff it up. Hard to get it to stay. I just want to kind of share with you guys what I did over the weekend. So I live in Bardstown, Kentucky, and I went to Louisville, Kentucky to visit my kids. I got two daughters that live there. My oldest granddaughter, Avery, was in a cheer competition. It was her first world's competition. It was her first world's competition, so I got to see her cheer. So it was so exciting to see her enjoy in her element. She is so talented. She's tiny, but she is a beastly little girl. So I love watching her, and I'll show little clips of you. And then my second oldest granddaughter, Kinsley, got to do volleyball. She's new at volleyball, but it was really fun to see her try something different, and I really hope that she does really well and she likes it, because she likes gymnastics, but she's not really she's not tiny, but she's more athletic looking, I feel like. So I think volleyball is going to be great for her. And I'll share little clips with you with that also. And I got sick while I was there. I got the stomach flu, so that's no fun. Paying all that money to go to Louisville and get sick, but anyways, I was still glad to be there. So since my channel is Backyard with Blooms, I cannot decorate without blooms. So these are my white flowers that I'm going to decorate with, and these are my navy, and this is my silverishy kind of goldish color here. And then I got some of these fox leaves here to decorate. So I thought that combination right there would be really pretty together. Comment and tell me what you think. So I got 2 of these, 4 of these, 2 of this, and I think I've got 4 of these maybe. So my plan is to put 2 of the navy, 1 on each end, and then 2 towards the middle, and this kind of like in the middle here between the navy and these flanking the navy as well. So first I need to get my lights on first. So these are the lights that I bought for this garland this year. It's a 10-foot cluster light garland, 300 warm white lights on a green wire and remote. So they're kind of like this cluster here. So they looked pretty when they were all lit up in the store. So let's light them up and see what they look like. Okay, so this is how pretty they are. And they're nice and bright, huh? Just trying to kind of even them out a little bit here as I go, since it's a little bit longer than my garland. So got my garland on, got my lights on, and now I'm going to do my ribbon. So this is the ribbon that I chose to do. Isn't that gorgeous? The white with this blue on top of it. So I think I'm going to kind of do this effect with my ribbon and just kind of intertwine this into the garland here like such. What do you think? Comment, let me know. I'm gonna kind of twist it as well. I'm just gonna take a tie twist and twist these together here. I'm just going to go ahead and twist it on this wreath here too, or garland. I haven't really messed with ribbon like this in a while. The ones that I have on my tree I had for years, and I've looked and looked for other ones that I tried to replace it, but I can't find anything that I like. What I normally do on my tree is I'll just take one of these small limbs like so, one of these, and I'll twist this around. I'm trying to find one. It's a little bit smaller, but I'm just going to take this and twist it around like such. I don't know if you guys can see me do that or not. Alright, so I got my garland, I got my lights, and I think I'm happy with my ribbon. I'm not a professional at ribbon, so I just kind of like bundled it up and twisted it with these little branches and did that all the way down. So I went with blue because I do decorate with blue. As you can see, my curtains, and I kind of always like that look. So I'm hoping that this all will go well with my tree, but you gotta like it yourself. So sometimes you can't care what everybody else thinks, as long as you like it. What kind of flower this is. When I first saw it, I thought cherry tree. I don't know, comment and let me know what you guys think this white flower might be. But since this is one of my biggest limbs, I'm going to plant, I'm not going to plant it, I'm going to place one of these kind of like in this direction and the other one over here. So I'm going to go ahead and place this one first. I'm struggling with this awkwardness one. This one wants to like keep going down. I don't know what's wrong with this one. It's not placed very good. So I got 3 different type of ornaments. This one has a little bird on it. Say it's a little blue bird. Look how pretty that is all the way around. Well, this one's pretty light, so I think this will hang really well. And I got some blue with some silver. Some little crystals on there as well. And then these are kind of heavy, so I'm probably gonna have to place these on the mantle as well. Owl that I got here too, I thought he was kind of cute. So I'm just gonna kind of place these up in here, like so. This one's on a hook, so I could probably hang it. Very sturdy. Why do they put these things always on here and make them so hard to get off? Alright guys, I'm all finished with my project. I'm pretty happy with it. If I keep tinkling with it, it's going to just get worse and worse. It's really hard to get everything like you want it. For one thing, the garland that I have is a little bit more thinner, and it's hard to like dig these heavier pieces of the floral into it and have them stay on this mantle, because I don't really have them tied around each other. They're just kind of like tucked in there. But let me show you up close. All right, let's take a closer look of this gorgeous garland. So there's the navy blue flowers flanked with the silvery gold color combined. And you can see the lights there, the cone, those cones were part of the garland. And then we have some rose gold feathers. And there's the white flowers that I told you about. So this color here goes really well with the color up here, brings it all together, along with this too. And cute little owl. I've got 2 of those. You can see the ribbon intertwined, white ribbon with the blue. And then I've got 2 of these ornaments with the birds on there. I had to tape it because it wouldn't stay flat. I kept on wanting to turn around with the other bird on the other side. That's what the bird looks like. And these blue ornaments that I bought to kind of tie it all in. And this is the other bird ornament. I'm gonna have to tape that one too. So this one's round and this one's oval. And all these have a little bit different shape to them. Got 2 owls. And this is the very end. It's hard to mess with it. You can just mess and mess, and eventually you just have to be like satisfied. My husband just walked in and said it was beautiful, so that's a great compliment from him. And I think it looks really good with the blue accents that I already have from my curtains over there too. So this is what it looks like from a distance with my tree. I don't think it takes away from the red that I have right there in the tree. I think it looks good. So maybe what I'll do is bring some of my ribbon here and tie that together. Maybe some blue ribbon on that. Tell me in comments what you think. I've been really wanting to try this navy, white, and silver together. I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. I hope this gives you some inspiration to try something different. It's definitely different for me, and I'm really loving it. Merry Christmas.